This is us leaving Millis. I'm so cool. Your porn. Your face. Your porn. She can't move. Okay, then. Why doesn't these metal detectors work?
Because you didn't feel anything.
Yeah, you did.
You did.
You did, though. Why don't they work? I didn't think anything, but I put a tag in her bag. You? Yeah, it didn't work. Well, that was such a bad video, so I'm gonna...